Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 5, leçon M. And in this lesson, we'll discover, some false friends, as we say, les faux amis. So they look the same in English and in French, but then the meaning is different. Okay, so let's start now. And then the first one, it will be travailler. Travailler. Okay, remember when you get this I and then double L like that and a vowel, Y, travailler, okay, travailler, and it means to work, okay. Sympathique, remember the H is not pronounced, sympathique, okay, and it means friendly, nice. Then, rester, rester. Regular verb from the first group, easy to conjugate, rester, okay, and it means to stay, to remain. Then, la monnaie, monnaie, okay, final not pronounced, la monnaie, okay, and it means small change. Le magasin, le magasin, okay, remember you've got only one S between two vowels. Then you get the sound Z, all right? And then the ending here is IN, so it's nasal, it goes in your nose, and it's un, magasin, okay? And it's shop, all right? Then, la librairie, okay? Remember, I here, librairie, final not pronounced. La librairie, okay? And it's a bookshop. Then, la journée, final not pronounced, and it's day. Grand, final day not pronounced, okay? G-R, gr, 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 and then the nasal en, grand, okay? And it means big or tall. Then, gentil. So remember this final L is not pronounced. Gentil, gentil, and it's nice or kind. Then attendre, attendre. Remember, final you don't insist on it, it just gives you the possibility to pronounce the dr. Okay, so attendre, attendre. All right, and it's to wait. That's it for the introduction for this false friends, okay, les faux amis. If you want more, it's here, youtube.com/imagier, okay, and more material can be found here. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.